Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shop now button to Facebook page. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all I'm just going to go to the official Facebook help center. Just going to wait for it to load. For some reason it doesn't want to load, so let me just turn on my VPN. Okay, so classic pages on Facebook are updating to the new pages experience still, so you will have access to many of the same features to manage your personal presence. So to add an action button, just go to the bottom of Facebook, tap the three lines or your profile picture, and then just tap on the down arrow and select the page you want to switch to. From your page, tap profile icon, then tap the three dots, and then just click on tap action button, then tap next. And now you just have to select shop now button, then click on next, and then just follow the simple steps that you will be prompted with, and then just click on save. And this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.